As is rightly said, God's first language is silence. The eloquent beauty and spiritual energy of Sanjay Kumar's paintings on display, and this monumental sculpture, which was actually also exhibited in the G20 celebrations of this last month at the Bihar Biennale, draws the viewer into the beautiful silence of the soul, into a condition that Manish ji would experience during his Vipassana session, or anybody else who is doing prayer or meditation, including the heartfelt meditation as well. That makes them timeless and invaluable. Born in 1964, Sanjay Kumar ji was awarded gold medal at Youth Festival organized by Government of Bihar in 1985 and Premchand Yuva Mahotsav gold medal by Kalakar Sangharsh Samiti Patna in 86. Besides various accolades, including from Lalit Kala Academy and the Government of Culture, one highlight of his career has been the recent mid-career retrospective curated by Nikhil Purohit, who is also here, at the prestigious Bihar Museum in Patna in January 2023. Let me now quickly move to introduce our illustrious inaugural panel. Being public figures, we will not get into all the details, I'm sure you are aware, but we'll just skim through some aspects. We are truly honored to have Shri Ashok Kumar Goel ji. Ashok ji is a serial and pioneering entrepreneur with a multitude of businesses currently investing in startups in finance and manufacturing. As chairman of SL World Leisure, he oversees management of SL World and Water Kingdom, which started in 1980 and are first of its kind amusement parks in Asia. He led SL Propack, now called EPL, into a global company as chairman and MD until 2019 when he divested his majority stake. Under his leadership, EPL has been ranked #1 in laminate tubes in the world. He is actively associated with several organizations. Absolutely. After a couple of interactions recently, I couldn't help but sharing with a close group of friends, including Chirendra and Mehul were here, how impressed I was with his positive aura. And I recall mentioning that I may not be good at identifying people to avoid, but I clearly know a winner and a great person when I see one. And I guess the same applies to aura art. When my father, Shri Jagjit Singh Sethi, who was here, an effort for him to come, glad he's here, and brother Harmeet are able to spot a winner artist like Sanjay Kumar from a mile. Requesting Ashok ji to share his words of wisdom with the audience.
Hello, good evening everyone. I don't know on this kind of occasion what to speak and what not to speak, and it is a big surprise. You never asked me to speak, that I should come prepared. No, nonetheless, it is an honor to be here amongst the luminaries of various fields. And I wish Aura Art all the very best for the renovated gallery, and wish you good luck. Thank you so much.
Moving now to Mr. Anand Desai, whom I have had the pleasure of knowing professionally from the Anderson days, which is nearly 25 years ago, and now personally for the last couple of years, since Aura Art assisted DSK Legal in launching India's first art law practice in 2020. Mr. Desai is the MD at DSK Legal since it was founded in April 2001. Recognized as a leading practitioner in India, has over 30 years of experience in advising MNCs, Indian corporates, associations, celebrities and various government institutions. I think the best thing to sum it up besides the accolades is an Asia profile carried a quote from a client which said that he is the best legal mind in India, and I can clearly subscribe to that. Requesting Mr. Desai to share his unique perspective with the audience, since he also has a keen eye for art, which I was very pleasantly surprised to note, seeing his right from his family linked to art and obviously his great collection.
I was not expecting you to say something. Usual, fantastic exhibition, and I really hope all this goes really fast. I mean, Indian artists are really recognized more and more around the world, which is great. Some years ago, I was told this morning that art of the top 5 or 7 artists in any country is the fastest growing asset class. My mother bought a lot of art in the 60s and 70s when it was not known to be collectors for valuation or for appreciation effort, which we have benefited from. And it's been a great relationship with Rishi, Harmeet and my father the last 3 years. And we hope to do much more. All the very best.
Thank you. Moving on forward to Mr. Manish Chokhani, whom I have again looked up to since my formative years. Mr. Chokhani is India's most respected financial advisor, who led Enam Securities and eventually it merged with Axis Capital to become the leading bank in India, investment bank. He's also helped devise and implement investment strategies for several funds, including India Capital Fund, ZA Capital Fund, and TPG Growth as the chairman, and continues to be a senior advisor to TPG Capital. Also proud to know that he's a fellow chartered accountant, besides being one of the youngest MBAs to have graduated from MBS. Another minor rare distinction is that he is the only guest of honor we have repeated over 60 shows over 15 years. And I hope you will continue to bless us. We are also grateful for Mrs. Yogita Chokhani, who has again visited our show, and for other family members, his sister and his nephew. Thanks a lot for being there. Requesting Mr. Chokhani to share his experience because he's lived with Sanjay Kumar's art for a couple of decades already and obviously plans to allocate more wall space to the artist.
So, first of all, thanks to Rishi and many congrats for your new gallery. So, Sanjay ji has been in our home for the last 20 years almost. And when you enter the home, the aura you get, the vibration is taking place, and something which everyone who visits home comments on. So, when you announced this exhibition, we were very eager to come because you were kind to already allow us to buy one of his best works over here. And we hope, like Anand said, this will be a multi-bagger in stock market terms. So everyone here, this is your chance to grab it. जितने खरीद सकते हैं जल्दी congratulations और बड़े पर बहुत सुंदर था really intricate and elaborate. You really have to be good. All the best.
And if the most successful investor says that, don't take it lightly. We are also honored to have Shri Praful Sangrajkar ji, who has been like a guardian for us for the last 7 years. In our state TV industry, we nearly left the building, but thanks to his help and well wishes, we are pretty much rooted back here for good. He is one of the most respected names in the fire protection fraternity in India. He has gained a reputation as being a visionary and one who can spot problems and find solutions to the most complex situations. After his master's in polymer science from Lowell Technological University in the US, he moved to India to be part of the Indian fire protection industry in 1975 and set up Technofire Protection, which is a leading player now, in 1986. Requesting Praful Bhai to share his thoughts with the audience.
Hi, listen, I have just congratulate you. You're doing a fantastic job, and I've seen you over the last 7-8 years, and it's great, fantastic. But thank you for it.
Last but not the least, we are delighted to have architect Sonia Gehlot, whom we have known personally for a couple of decades as a true daughter of Rajasthan, which is also our home state. She and her father, Shri Ashok Ji Gehlot, have done great service and contribution to our state. Sonia ji completed her formal education in Pune and Mumbai, specializing in architecture. She worked for a significant period in architecture in the Kalpataru group before going on to establish her own interior designing firm called Architecture and Beyond. Since she has a very keen aesthetic orientation, we not enough time to see the show, but whatever reactions you take with us.
Hello everyone, it's a great evening and absolutely an honor to be here, and thank you Rishi Raji for inviting me again on this panel. I'm really honored. And to begin with, I have to correct Rishi Ji for his misinformation. I have worked many years, yes that's right, but I've worked many years with Talati and Pantaki for almost like a decade with them. Then I quit and I had babies and took a sabbatical. And now I'm back in action, and I'm like leading a firm called Architecture and Beyond. And it's doing really well. We won an award last year for the Young and Upcoming Entrepreneur and Architect of the Year. So that's information I think you missed out. So I thought, let me add to everything that's been said. And now I'm going to go back about 10 years or so. I can't quite recollect the real, like the real year. But I remember seeing Sanjay ji's work at one of the events at Rishi Raji's Aura event, and it was fantastic, and I've always loved his work since then, and I've been following him as an artist. And when Rishi Raji said that, it's a solo show only for him, I said, yes, definitely I'll be here. So really liked your composition and your colors. And when I read the invite, I think what struck me the most was when it said that when silence takes over the verbal language. And I was like, that is so true. In his work, silence is what really speaks out. When you actually look at the work, it's just very calm and peaceful, and it just gives you something which not many artists can give. So I'm really proud to be here and very delighted to be here. Thank you, Rishi Raji, once again, and all the best for our new gallery.
Another special feature of today's event, which is the big highlight, is the release of the book Sanjay Kumar, The Traveller of Rational Paths, written by Nikhil Puraji and published by the Bihar Museum, which for many in the room who may not be aware, in the last 50 to 60 years, the most prestigious institution of art that the Indian government has set up, any state or central government, is the Bihar Museum, which is a joy for anyone to visit, designed by a Japanese architect and award-winning architecture, besides the collection, which houses one of the largest installations of Sanjay Kumarji as you enter the main hall. Requesting Nikhil ji to share his journey with the artist. He's been connected for a while, and with the book as well.
It is indeed an August gathering here for two reasons. One, there are on the other side, one side there are artists who are the makers, and the other side there are people who drive the economy. So it is crucial to run the entire cultural economy in a larger context. So I thank everyone for being here and allowing me this opportunity. आर्टिस्ट के बारे में जब कहने की बात आती है तो मुंबई नगरी जो सपनों की नगरी है, सभी जानते हैं कि सबके सपने अलग अलग किस्म के सपने हम लेके आते हैं, पर जिनकी कहानी बनती है वैसे बहुत कम लोग हैं। और ऐसे ही कहानी को कहने लायक बनते हुए मैंने संजय जी के काम में देखा है। यहाँ पे जब वो एक स्टूडेंट के नाते जब मुंबई आए, फिर वहाँ से इसी जगह पे इनफैक्ट वर्ली में ही वो रहने लगे। बहुत ही अच्छा कोइंसिडेंस है कि वर्ली में ही उनका मुंबई का जो एग्जीबिशन है और किताब का प्रेजेंटेशन हो रहा है। सो बहुत ही कोइंसिडेंस भी है और अच्छी बात है, जिस वजह से जो वर्ली में बहुत सारे उनके फॉर्मेटिव ईयर्स की बात करते हैं, जो स्ट्रगलिंग ईयर्स की बात करते हैं, तो उस दौरान उन्होंने जो भी अलग अलग रेफरेंसेस जिए जिंदगी में, ऑफ कोर्स सारे निटी-ग्रिटीज में हम आपको किताब में ही ज़्यादा अच्छा मिलेगा पढ़ने के लिए, बट उन्होंने बार बार एक कहानी मुझे सुनाई जो कि मन हमारा कैसा रहता है। भगवान बुद्ध की एक कहानी है जहाँ पे एक शिष्य बार पानी लाने के लिए कहता है और मैले पानी से, मैले जो झरना है तो वहाँ से पानी कैसे लाया जाए, तो आनंद से बुद्ध कहते हैं कि पानी लेकर आओ, पर वो पानी लाने से मना करते हैं और बार बार वो जाते हैं और फिर भी मैले पानी से पानी लाना उनको मुमकिन नहीं होता है। फिर बुद्ध कहते हैं कि थोड़ी देर रुक जाओ, फिर आनंद को अपने आप समझ में आता है कि हमें रुकना ज़रूरी है, ठहरना ज़रूरी है। तब अपने आप जब पानी ठहर जाएगा, उसका जो मैलापन है वो कम हो जाएगा। So I think that's a major learning from about Sanjay, the patience and the rigor and the rational thinking which he has pursued across his life without compromising on his value system. That's what makes his work valuable. and both in terms of culturally as well as economically, because how this journey gets recognized as a museum standard work, especially when we were at the museum, Bihar Museum, at the opening of his military retrospective. Anjani Kumar Singh ji mentioned that his work, this particular work, is a museum standard collection. So to achieve that kind of status is something that is really valuable, and me being part of it, having written the book for over 2 years, so I consider the book more as a document, an archive of his practice, rather than just a readable book. So it is, अगर collector के perspective में भी it's a book which becomes kind of a go-to in terms of provenance and authenticity. So I would look in multiple ways towards the book, and I again thank you for the opportunity.
Thank you for giving us one more chance to celebrate his work in his life, and we are looking for many more chances. To conclude the dialogue today, if I can request Sanjay Kumar ji, who is a man of few words nonetheless. He's spoken not through his paintings, but he can also share a few words.
आज तो मेरे पास कहने के लिए कुछ भी नहीं है। सबसे पहले आपको अभिनंदन, आप सब आए। मेरे पास जो कुछ भी था सब कुछ बोल कर रख दिया गया है। निखिल ने सब लिख दिया है, आप लोगों ने सब सुना भी दिया है। मेरे पास बचा क्या?
शून्य।
अगर आप कुछ पूछे तो मैं बताऊं, अदरवाइज तो सब कुछ दिख रहा है। आपको सवाल है तो आप बताएं अपने काम, मेरे काम के बारे में पूछना चाहते हैं, कुछ करना चाहते हैं बताएं। कुछ सवाल है? नहीं, अभी निखिल को बता रहा था, बड़ा अच्छा एक कहानी है। कहानी क्या बोलेंगे हम, हमारा लाइफ का ये जर्नी रहा है। मैं जब बॉम्बे आया था, किसी बीडी स्टॉल है यहाँ पास में वर्ली में, मैं कभी यहीं रहता था, और मेरे पास कोई दोस्त यार टाइप का कोई था नहीं, मेरी पहचान के लोग नहीं थे, मेरे गांव वाले लोग नहीं थे, मेरे परिवार के कोई लोग नहीं थे। पर यहाँ के जो स्टूडेंट थे, एक तो हमारी हिंदी और उनके मराठी ये मेल नहीं खा रहा था, इसमें भी रहना पड़ रहा था। तो निखिल जो बात कहना चाह रहा था, वो एक समय आया, एक वक्त आया जब मेरे पास कुछ भी नहीं बचा सिवाय बम्बई छोड़ दे जाने का। तो ऐसे में वो मराठी हॉस्टल, तो वहाँ पे एक बुक हाथ लगी मुझे जो हिंदी में थी, वो सुन कर लिखा हुआ। मैं बार बार मैं पढ़ रहा था, और वो किताब मुझे ठहरने को कहा, नहीं रुक जाओ। तो उसमें कहानी है कि बुद्ध जो है, बुद्ध का जो प्रथम शिष्य है आनंद, बुद्ध एक जगह गा रहे थे, वो बैठ के बोले कि आनंद पीछे नहर छूट आई है, जाकर पानी लेके आओ। तो भाई गुरु की आदेश है, तो वो जाता है पानी लाने के लिए। जब पानी लाने जाता है तो क्या देखता है कि पानी अभी भी बैलगाड़ी उसके ऊपर से, नहर के ऊपर से बैलगाड़ी निकली है, तो पानी गंदे हो गए। पानी गंदे हो गए तो उनको लगा कि भाई ऐसे पानी गंदे कैसे पिलाएंगे ना, तो वो वापिस आता है और बोलते हैं कि महाराज आप आगे चले, मैं आपको आगे पानी पिलाता हूँ। तो खुद बोलते नहीं, जाओ वहीं से पानी लेकर के आओ। फिर वो जाता है, फिर उसी जगह जाता है, फिर वो पानी को जो है हाथ से उसको सफाई करता है तो गंदगी और उठाती है। फिर लगता है कि ये पानी कैसे पिलाया जाएगा। फिर वो वापिस आता है, फिर खुद को बोलता है कि महाराज आप आगे चले, मैं आपको आगे पानी पिलाता हूँ, इधर तो पानी करते हैं। खुद बोलते नहीं, जाओ वहीं से लेके आओ। अब उनके दिमाग जो है सोचने लगा कि मामला क्या है, जब मैं कह रहा हूँ कि गंदा है तो गंदा है, फिर भी वो मुझे वहाँ भेज रहे हैं। वो सोचने लगा, 2 मिनट 5 मिनट 10 मिनट सोचने लगा। तो सोचने के क्रम में क्या देखा, जो पानी से हाथ से जब हिलाया था तो गंदगी उठाई थी, जब सोचने के क्रम में वो पानी शांत हो रहा था, मतलब साफ हो रही थी। तो इनको लगा कि 5 मिनट में जब इतना साफ हो गया तो 10 मिनट में और साफ हो जाएगा, तो थोड़ा और समय दिया। और जब शांत पूरी पानी सफाई हो गई तब वो पानी लेकर के वो उठता, नाश्ता भागता जो है आता है, उसके चरणों में गिर जाता है और उसको देता है। तो खुद बोलता है क्या बात है, इतना नाच क्यों लगा? बोला महाराज मैं आपका आश्रय संभाल गया। बोला क्या समझे? बोला जो काम अपने हाथ में नहीं है उसको जबरदस्ती हाथ से और गंदा मत, उसको शांत भाव से उसको देखो, दृष्टा भाव रखो, साक्षी भाव रखो, सब कुछ साफ हो जाएगा। अपने हाथों से और गंदगी को मत करें। तो ये जो बार बार जब मैं पढ़ रहा था तब मुझे लगा कि नहीं, बॉम्बे से अब गाँव नहीं आना, अब मुझे देखना है। मैं कैक साल में बीच में काम बंद कर दिया केवल ये देखा था हो क्या रहा है ऐसा, और फिर यहाँ से जर्नी शुरू हुई। तो ये बताना चाह रहे हैं।
To conclude the evergreen words of Rumi, when the lips are silent, the heart has 100 tongues. With that thought, let us now move towards the book launch.